Well, good morning, Richard. Another EP3 in for Hondavert map.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Friday.
It is Friday. It's all right, mate. You can go home soon, like 8 hours from now.
To be honest, it's been a short week for me this week. I had 2 days off.
Yeah. But you're short every week.
No, I don't get any taller.
No,
That's what
no,
you're saying.
you don't. In fact, I'm pretty sure I'm shrinking.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to wear high heels like my son.
Oh, good God. Let's not get into that conversation.
That's not one for YouTube.
That's not one for the internet, that one.
No, for sure.
Yeah.
I like his little steering wheel.
I'm not really enthusiastic about anything this morning, I've got to be honest.
It's all right. You know what you're doing, pal. You know what you're doing. Yeah, good stuff. Right, so we'll get this one done. Oh, it's made some power to begin with. Power to begin with, we have made 207 brake horsepower off the bat. Which ain't so bad, is it? I think we're happy with that. It's a rainy day here in Nuneaton. We're all a little bit cold and damp.
It'll be fine, mate. It'll come out in the wash.
Indeed. I hope so. Stinks. Okay, well, good morning. Here we have a silver EP3 Honda Civic. This one is in today for a Hondavert ECU and tune on the dyno. So we've done some initial power runs and it seems to be okay. And now it's time to install the ECU and start tuning. It's got a few modifications on it. As you can see, it's got a Tegra intake. It's got an uprated inlet manifold. I'm going to have a quick look down the back and see if we're on a stock manifold. I can't tell with my flash, so I'm going to have a look at that. But yeah, usual process, guys. So you'll see us doing power runs whilst we're tuning, and then we'll have a little chat at the end, won't we, as per usual. But yeah, here we go. Oh. Well, that's another truly awesome Hondavert map completed by our Richard, and it's done really, really well. It made some wicked noises, dropped some bombs, but most importantly, it made some power. And if you look at this graph here, we have got 60 brake horsepower at 6,000 RPM. We made gains right across the rev range, and we finished today on 236 brake horsepower. I'm going to click print. I'm going to click print and it's going to show you. We finish on 236 brake, which is 197 at the wheels. What a result, Rich. What you got to say for yourself?
Yeah, came out really well, that one, to be fair.
It did?
I think probably a little bit more in exhaust size. I think it's got a, quite a restricted back box on it. I mean, great for keeping the noise down, but ultimately cost us a little bit of power at the top end. Probably only talking like 4 brake or something. And it's got the Tegular enclosed airbox on, which we're not particularly keen on. An open filter generally makes a little bit more power. So I think with a few little tweaks, we'd probably make the 240, but perfectly happy with the 236 for sure.
Impressive stuff, mate. Impressive stuff. Another one in the bag.
I mean, we've ultimately made nearly 40 wheel horsepower.
Yeah. That's going to be transformed, mate. That'll be like night and day.
Oh yeah, 100%. It'll be fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
Good
stuff.
Just
a much more linear graph as well, so.
Yeah. Well, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for hanging out till the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. If you've got an EP3 or you've got any Honda questions, then fire them at us. Do comment on the video. Let us know what stage your Honda's at, and let us know what mods you've got. And we shall see you on the next video, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Light was pretty fast.